What if I told you there's a new way to create viral self-improvement and motivational videos for YouTube in 2024? Forget the tired, overused methods. This is a game changer. Today, I'll show you a revolutionary approach that combines visually captivating anime clips, inspiring voiceovers, and scripts designed to deeply resonate with your audience. Take a look at this video.
Life isn't a constant party. Life is a battle, a relentless struggle against mediocrity and excuses. Want to know the secret ingredient that separates winners from dreamers? It's discipline. Discipline isn't pretty or elegant.
This single video was posted just 4 months ago and has already racked up over 2.4 million views. It's currently averaging 462 views per hour. That's over 10,000 views per day. Imagine creating content like this with your own unique spin and watching your channel skyrocket. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to tap into this powerful strategy. And hey, if you're ready to unlock the secret to viral content, hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach more creators like you. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect script. Every great video starts with a compelling script, and motivational content is no different. Here's how to create a script that grabs attention and keeps viewers engaged. Start by using ChatGPT to generate your script. Here's a sample prompt you can use. Copy the prompt, which you can find in the video description, and paste it. Once you've done that, hit send. ChatGPT will generate a script in seconds, but don't stop there. Read through it and tweak it to fit your style. Add personal touches, memorable lines, or even a bit of humor to make it stand out. Pro tip: always start your script with a bold question or statement to immediately grab attention. For example,
do you know what separates winners from dreamers? It's not talent or luck, it's discipline.
If you'd like me to share the exact prompts I use to craft scripts, drop a comment below, and I'll send them your way. Step 2. Generating a high-quality voiceover. Your script is ready. Now let's bring it to life with a professional voiceover. You can use tools like 11 Labs or Clipchamp. Personally, I recommend Clipchamp for its user-friendly interface and natural-sounding voices. Here's how to do it. Copy a section of your script. Keep it under 500 words to maintain a natural tone. Paste it into Clipchamp's text-to-speech feature. Test out different voices to find one that matches your audience's vibe. Look for something that's deep, inspiring, and full of emotion. Pro tip: adjust the pace and vocal pitch for a more impactful feel. The right tone and pacing can make or break your content in this niche. Click on Save, and in seconds you have a generated voiceover. Click on Export and download. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, smash that like button. It helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to share more tips. Step 3. Finding visuals. To make your videos visually engaging, we'll use anime-style clips. Why anime? It's dynamic, emotional, and has universal appeal, perfect for motivational content. Here's how to find the perfect visuals. YouTube search. Look for anime training or workout scenes using keywords like anime motivation or anime training montage. Check out sites like Anime Clips HQ for high-quality, downloadable clips. For additional options, visit Pinterest for stunning, free visuals. Download clips that align with your script. For example, if your script talks about perseverance, use a scene of a character training in the rain or breaking through a wall. Pro tip: alternate between intense action clips and calm, reflective scenes to maintain audience engagement throughout the video. Step 4. Editing your video in CapCut. With your voiceover and visuals ready, it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Import your clips. Add your anime visuals and voiceover to the timeline. Sync the audio. Match the visuals to the voiceover for a seamless flow. Add background music. Use the YouTube audio library or Pixabay to find royalty-free motivational tracks. A rhythmic, uplifting beat works best for building tension and energy. Enhance with effects. Use CapCut's filters and transitions to make your video more dynamic. Add slow motion effects during emotional peaks or zoom effects during intense moments. Now let's add a black overlay to the video, reducing the opacity. It gives a feel to the video. Use CapCut Auto Subtitle and select a caption template that fits this kind of video. Once you are done, click on Export. Now here's the secret to success. Consistency. I challenge you to upload one video per week for the next 60 days. Use the steps outlined here, and don't get discouraged if results aren't immediate. Viral success takes time, but consistency builds momentum. Now you know exactly how to create viral motivational and self-improvement content. If you found this guide valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment letting me know which part of this process you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.